Okay, today's Thursday. It's the fourth day of trading. Fourth day of trading. Yep. It's 1 a.m. So, okay, so it's March 12th. It's already it's already the third month of 2026. Amazing. Time just flies. Okay, so now I'm looking here to see what the price is going to do. Time just flies. Time does not stand still. Wow. Okay, so now I'm looking at this. See, when the price was here, it went up. I thought it was going to keep going up, but that's not the case. It's continuing this trend. Well, actually, if I look here, it was actually in an uptrend. See that? So trading is about define correctly defining which direction it's going. Okay, that's trading. It's correctly defining where the trend is headed. That's the that's the that's trading. Okay, so I'm looking at that. So let's see. Okay, I'm looking at the 15 minute. I'm looking at the 15 minute here. The 15 minute is saying the 15 minute is saying that it has reached here. It looks like it's at the bottom. That's what it's saying. The 15 minute is saying that it is at the bottom, right there. It is saying that it is at the bottom of, now it's possible, that's the 15 minute. Okay. 15 minute, if I look at a 15 minute, it trended down, popped back up, which is natural, and then dropped to the same level where the support is. Now it's trading around here. Okay. So now if I look at a 5 minute, 5 minute essentially is picking up where it attempts to move back up, and then now it's floating above the support here. Now, okay, so now I look at it in this manner. So I can see that the 5 minute is actually showing a very similar thing. It's possible, this is EU, this is possible that it could be moving up. It could be moving up here, but it's not certain yet. It's not certain that it is a reversal. It's not. So if I look at a 1 minute, I'm looking at the 1 minute, what it has to do, it has to go above here, and it has to go above here. So UC is probably down too, right around here. So it's on a wide trend down. Okay, so let's see. I need to make about 160 bucks, and I'll pass this. This is a simulation, by the way. It's a demo. What I'm attempting to do is see if I can figure out a way. See, this seems to be, okay, so what I need to do, is determine, so this is where real trading occurs. Okay, so now the volatility has diminished. Okay, the volatility has diminished. Now here's the hard part. The hard part is to analyze and figure out what the market is going to do. This is very similar to, this is going to be very similar to, essentially, it's going to essentially, it's essentially, wow, it's already March of 2026. Wow, it's already March. It's already March. Time just passes like it just flies. Okay. You can't, wow, that's amazing. Okay, so this right there is dropping. Okay, so does this setup meet the definition of my setups? Okay. Essentially, this is moving towards this area here, what's going to tell me whether it's going to be a reversal or not. Okay. Whether this is going to be a reversal or not. All right. Okay. I'm trying to analyze whether a trade is going to be, whether the trade is going to be effective or not, whether that trade is going to work out or not. Okay. So I'm looking at it. I'm trying to select the trade. So I'm looking at here. Look at this guy. So this went up, came back down. Now it's moving sideways, but it has a downtrend. This was moving up a little bit and then reached here and then dropped back down. Okay, so now this is actually trending down. See that? See, I would get into this situation where I would lose. But now this is where a support is right here. See the support right there? Despite the fact that it did move up, now it's coming back here. Now it's down here. Down here, so it's down here. See how it moves? In the past, what I would do is I would top ticket and lose here. Not today. Not today. Okay. Now here's UC. UC is here. UC is showing similar characteristics. Okay. Now it's here. If it breaks this side, if it breaks this, depends on whether it breaks that or not. Okay, is it going to break or is it going to? We'll see what happens here. So it was up here. Now it's down here. Okay. So that's, see what that's doing. Let's see how this thing behaves and see how it reacts and see if I can trade it as a, essentially, is it going to break down or is it going to be, a reversal here from here to here? It's moving slow. Okay, so I have to see other things. Doop 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 doop. Okay, so this is coming down as well. So it's going to do something in this area. See how this price is mimicking you. You see how it follows? There's a correlation between US 100, US 100, and you. Okay, I haven't taken a single trade yet. I'm waiting, waiting, and waiting, and waiting. I'm going to see if I can be more selective about the trade that I take. And then once I become more familiar with it, then I should be able to speed up the process, speed up my trade execution. For now, I'm taking deliberate means to be more critical of my trades. Okay, so based on this description, here's what my thinking is. Okay, so even if I get in here, the gain is limited from here to here. Okay, so what is my action? My action is to wait until the price gets to here and see what it does. Two things can happen. Three things can happen. It can go sideways when it reaches here. It could go sideways, or it's going to break through here. Okay, or it's going to bounce and come back down. Due to the fact that it is in a downtrend, probably what's going to happen is even if it gets up to here, it'll move sideways a little bit and then it's going to drop. Okay, that's what's going to happen based on what I'm seeing right now. Now it's not moving very much, so now this is loitering here, similar to this. So chances are, because it is lower high here, it's going to drop to here. Okay, and this is a very similar thing here, right? So how do I read this? This is EG. It moved just right here where the resistance is, and then dropped down here. This is the near area where the support is. So the price seems to want to be in this area, this region here. It wants to be range bound in this area until something changes that. Here, what I'm looking for is some more information. It's an area where I would be interested in making a trade. It is currently, that's where it is. But I've seen this happening. So the gains that I can get is probably from here to here. Okay, and if the gains are a little bit more, it could get up to here. So the idea is probably the loss is going to be to here. The loss could be here, or I can make the gain here or here. Okay, that's the idea. But I have to see something similar to this here in order for me to enter into the trade. Okay, so this one is leisurely moving down. This is a 1 minute candle. That is a 1 minute candle. It's slowly creeped up here, so it's going to go back up here, it looks like. Right here, okay? So that's my assessment. I'm not going to take any trades right now, though. I'm not seeing any trades. There's trades out there, but I'm not able to identify. There are trades. So if I'm looking at this, when I look at this, I'm seeing that is essentially, look at that, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. It's been going sideways for 30 minutes. Okay, here. I'm not seeing any trades right now. One interesting thing is this. Okay, one interesting thing is this. The price had moved up to here, and in many instances, what it will do, the price will go up and then come back down, and then go up, come back down, and things like that, right? See how it behaves? Price goes up, come back down, price goes up, comes back down. So when I'm making these trades, anything can happen here. See, when I'm making these trades, I'm just trading around this area, the possibility of dropping it off here. I mean, if I'm looking at this, when I'm looking at this, I'm looking at the possibility that the price could drop from here, to here. Okay, that's the way I'm seeing it. When I see that, the price immediately the price, if it drops below here, could hit here and here. Okay, if it decides to move. All right, if it decides to move that way, it can go all the way down. So far, right now, it's not moving much. It's the 4th day of trading, but it's not moving much. All right, not moving much at all. Okay. So based on looking at the higher time frame, so that little thing could be like that, right? The way that it moves, it could be this, or it could start moving up. Who knows? All right, that's the analysis. I haven't taken any trades, but that's I'm looking at the analysis. I haven't taken any trades. Now I'm being more selective about the trades that I'm taking. Okay, I'll look at that, and I might be tempted to. Well, yeah, that's currently how it is. This is, by the way, a demo account. I haven't made any trades.